Housekeeping Department is an operational department in a hotel, which is responsible for cleanliness, maintenance, aesthetic upkeep of rooms, public areas, back areas, and the surroundings. But that's not just our factors. We also make sure that our guests have a pleasant stay by giving them the best services we can. In this video, we will present to you and demonstrate how to accept housekeeping requests from the guest, to locate and deliver items request from the guest. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling Housekeeping Department. This is Chelos speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, good morning. Can I ask for additional items?
Sure, ma'am. But before I get your request, may I know your name and room number?
This is Laika Pascual from room 205.
Thank you, Ma'am Laika Pascual of room 205. May I know your request?
I request for an additional one towel and a pair of slippers.
Okay, ma'am. Is there anything else, ma'am?
None, that would be all.
If none, would you mind me to repeat your requested items?
Sure.
Okay, you're Miss Laika Pascual from room 205, requested for an additional one towel and a pair of slippers. Am I correct, ma'am?
Yes.
By the way, ma'am, what time would you like me to deliver your request?
I want it to be delivered at 10 a.m.
Okay, ma'am. You want it to be delivered by 10 a.m. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
None, that would be all.
If none, thank you for calling the Housekeeping Department. Enjoy your stay and have a nice day. Housekeeping! Housekeeping! Hello, ma'am. Good morning. I am Chelos from Housekeeping Department, and I am here to deliver your request, one towel and a pair of sleeper. May I come in? Sure. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to close the door or just leave it open?
Just leave the door closed.
By the way, ma'am, where do you want me to put these things? Okay, ma'am. So, is there anything else that you want me to do, ma'am?
None, thank you.
If none, thank you for calling Housekeeping Department and enjoy your stay and have a nice day.